Hey folks, I'm got this Baychart one program that we created, and it basically takes an Excel spreadsheet and copies it or converts it into an 837. And I just wanted to see how fast I could create a claim. So let's jump in. I've got the sender and receiver ID, the name first and last. We'll call it Mary and Lisa, and the last name is Smith, and Baker. Gender, we're going to say female. We'll leave the addresses alone. We've got cities in there. Patient ID. We'll call this my Pat 001 and other Pat 002. I've got a diagnosis code in there. And then the line amount, we'll call this $284.99 and $5,431.02. Okay? And since we're doing just one line per claim here, we have a system that actually does multiple charge lines, but this whole Baychart one is just kind of like the lower end. I don't want to say it's low quality, but it's just very, very the most basic you can get. And so if you have a bunch of charge lines, it's going to make a bunch of claims, but you get paid just the same. But it's really simple. You just have an Excel spreadsheet, and a lot of this information is static, so that's all you need to do. I'm going to say File, Save As, Browse. It's in Baychart one. I'm going to put it in the data. I'm going to call it Video Test 1 CSV, and I'm going to save it as an MS-DOS CSV, and then I'm going to save it. Yes, I want to continue with this format. And I don't know why Excel asks you that twice. It's so weird. Okay, Baycharts 1, it was in data, right? And it was called Video 1. Okay. And we'll give it something interesting. We'll say .txt 837 claim test. And then we'll just create the extract. It says we've got 2 claims, and here they are. And so we see we have a Mary Baker on this one, and then on the second one, Lisa Smith. And if you can remember, 543102, and then on the first claim, 284.9. So let's run this through our absolutely wonderful validation engine and see how we did. It looks like we got a clean claim. So how long was that? So I just created 2 claims, and I run it through this decent validation machine. Redfish is a decent 837 validator, and it's saying that the claim is clean. So at this point, you can just send that claim on to your payer. So we've got folks that are asking about these simple Excel spreadsheet programs. It's just one program. This solution that will convert their Excel spreadsheet claims, into an 837 format. And so I just thought I'd jump in there real quick and do a video to see how fast we could do that. So anyway, that's all it was, just a quick test. Again, this is the simple one. We have other, systems and tools. We even have our own claim adjudication system. But you know how it is when you create things. Sometimes something that you create really quick and really small, it becomes popular, and we're getting more and more requests for this. So I just thought I'd do a quick video to see how fast I could create a claim. You know, if you're working in Excel, you know, you can you know, maintain all your claims there. Of course you're going to have to do some work there, you know, adding, storing, whatever, but that's all on you. So anyway, that's all it was, just a quick video to see how fast I could do that. So thanks for watching my video. I have displayed the link here. You can stop by remorabay.com. You can leave a comment below, or just send me an email to edi.dallas@zoho.com. Thanks all.